Hello, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best automatic Nerf guns are sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Nerf Fortnite ARL. The Nerf Fortnite ARL is a semi-automatic, motorized blaster modeled on the legendary skinned Fortnite AR. If the canary yellow color style doesn't quite do it for you, there are a few choices available. Our favorite being the Der Burger. Aside from our foaming excitement that we can now recreate some of our favorite Fortnite moments in real life. The ARL is a tidy nerfing machine. Hasbro hasn't just phoned it in for a quick cash grab here. The ARL has all of the features that you have come to love from other ranges. The generous inclusion of 20 darts combined with a 10-dart clip means that not only can you stay on the field longer, but you'll also have enough darts to fill an entire clip for easy reloading. Trust us, you are going to need those extra darts, as the inbuilt motor means you are going to be popping off shots as fast as you can pull the trigger. To make sure you aren't firing to blind, the ARL features 2 flip-up sights and a long tactical rail located on top of the blaster, so even if the sights don't help, you can always pop on an additional scope for added accuracy. If in your nerfing flurry one of your darts does get jammed, there is a jam door located on the barrel so you can quickly unclog and get back to firing. The Fortnite ARL is a great entry into the Nerf universe and proves that just because it's a collab doesn't mean it has to suck. If you do run out of Fortnite darts, don't worry. The ARL fires standard elite darts as well. Phew. Number 2. Nerf Ultra 2. Here is something a little different. Introducing the Nerf Ultra 2. A nifty one-handed revolver that is packing some serious firepower. If you're a newcomer to the Ultra series, there are a few things you need to know. 1. They fire special Ultra darts too. They have a range of over 125 feet. Experience extreme distance, accuracy, and speed with Nerf Ultra blasters that are designed with advanced features to take your Nerf games to the next level. The Ultra 2 is a 6-shot revolver that abandons front loading and instead is loaded from the back of the blaster. This may seem like a small change, but it works incredibly well and shaves off the vital few seconds it takes to reload, meaning you can get back to blasting. Not only does the Ultra 2 get top marks for being a one-hander, it's also a motorized semi-automatic blaster, which is damn impressive when you consider its size. People aren't going to know what hit them when you rock up with 2 of these strapped to your hip. As a semi-auto, you'll need to pull the trigger for each shot, but as an eagle-eyed gunslinger, you don't need hundreds of darts to defeat your enemies. Number 3. Nerf Rival Nemesis MXVII 10 Kelvins. Let's kick off with the Nerf Rival Nemesis, which also tops my list of best Nerf guns you can buy today. Like so many other Nerfers out there, I am a huge fan of the Nemesis for a variety of reasons. The Nemesis was first released in 2017, and at the time it was quite a revolutionary Nerf blaster. Incredible performance, huge magazine, fully automatic, great ergonomics. The Nemesis quickly established itself as a fan favorite. The most awesome thing about the Nemesis is its magazine, which isn't a normal Nerf magazine. It's a hopper system that allows you to quickly throw in the rival high-impact rounds, and the hopper will push the rounds to the front to be fired. It also outperforms the Nemesis when it comes to rounds per second. With a fully loaded magazine, the Prometheus can achieve 8 rounds per second, which is absolutely amazing. Operating the Nemesis is quite a unique experience, and I have yet to meet a Nerf enthusiast that doesn't like this blaster. The Nemesis sits comfortably in the arms, and with such a large magazine and great performance, it's still the best full auto Nerf gun in my books. Number 4. Nerf Elite 2.0 Phoenix CS6. Well, Hasbro has got a lot of things right with the Elite 2.0 Phoenix. Perhaps it is symbolic that the best 2.0 has to offer is named after the bird of rebirth, but then again, we may just trying to stretch a metaphor. The Phoenix is a compact nerfing machine, thanks to the huge range of customization options, tactical rails, included scope and reasonable pricing. The blaster is a small, lightweight, motorized marvel, sporting 5 tactical rails and stock attachment slots, which means you can customize this blaster in pretty much every way imaginable. Pair the customization options with a lovely 6-dart clip and large targeting scope and you have found a match made in heaven. The Phoenix may not max out ammo capacity. But if you are an agile player who is after a motorized blaster, look no further. The Titan CS6 is a very large blaster, similar to the Prometheus I've included above. With 50 darts, the CS6 has a lower firing capacity than the Prometheus, but it is actually the biggest non-hopper Nerf magazine in existence. Number 5. Nerf Ultra Select. The Nerf Ultra Select is the first full automatic Ultra Nerf gun, combining the phenomenal firing distance of the Ultra series with the max terror only inspired by full auto carnage. As a fully automatic blaster, the Select is going to burn through your Nerf ammo, but thanks to the inclusion of a novel clip selector, you can load up 2 10-dart clips at one time. Once you have exhausted your first clip, move the clip selector handle, located just under the barrel, to instantly switch to a fresh magazine. Not only does the clip selector mean you don't have to worry about reloading for a while, but it also allows for some very strategic thinking. The Select comes with both 10 standard, long-distance, Ultra darts and special AccuStrike Ultra darts which are designed for precision. It won't matter if your enemy is near or far, no one is going to be able to escape you now. Now remember, as a fully automatic blaster, you won't need to pull the trigger for each shot. Once you have the accelerator button, located under the trigger, held down, all you need to do is squeeze and a stream of foam hell is going to head your enemy's way. The integrated shoulder stock should also help you out with your accuracy as you go full Rambo on the battlefield. With so much crammed into one blaster, the Select is surprisingly light, coming in at 4.24 pounds. But if you wanted extra support, there are 5 sling points located around the blaster to help spread the burden. If you want to add even more, there is even a tactical rail for you to throw on some attachments. The undisputed king of the Ultra series, the Select combines all of the best of the other blasts and squeezes them into a devastating package. It also looks pretty damn intimidating to boot. Lastly, thanks for watching the video.